If you're interested to study at UMCH Hamburg and you come from a country that needs a visa to get into Hamburg, I have some steps and tips and tricks that you could use that would help you to come and study here flexibly. First of all, go on the German embassy's website where your country is and start applying for an appointment, because it takes about 2, 3, maybe 4 months for you to have an appointment. Get all your papers ready, for example, your school certificate and acceptance letter from UMCH. Maybe as well you could have your passport certificate. Get all your documents ready so you do not have to redo another document. Try to open a bank account, because they're gonna ask this in the embassy. Try to open a blocked account with using fintiba.com. It's the easiest and most reliable way to open an account because most of the people that are in high school are not even over 18, but you could open it when you're under 18. As well, it would help you with your health insurance, because it's one of the most important things that they're gonna ask about in the embassy. So here are my 4 tips. Apply early, get all your documents ready, get your blocked account ready, and your health insurance ready. Thank you.